when multiplying with polynomials, we may not always be multiplying with a monomial on the outside. In this case, we are multiplying a binomial times a binomial. Here, the same thing. And here, we even have a binomial times a trinomial. The process is going to be the same. We need to distribute each term over both of the other terms. So we would take x times x and x times positive 5. Then we would take positive 3 times x and positive 3 times positive 5. X times x, then x times 5, then 3 times x, and then 3 times 5. X times x is x squared. X times positive 5 is plus 5x. Positive 3 times x is plus 3x. Positive 3 times positive 5 is positive 15. Note in here that we have two like terms in the middle that need to be combined in order to be simplified. So this whole expression will simplify into x squared plus 8x plus 15. We'll go through the same procedure here. We're going to take the first term times the first term times the second times the first, and then the second times the second. 3x squared times 2x to the third. I'm just going to do the multiplication now. 3 times 2 first would be 6. X squared times x to the third would be x to the 5th power. 3x squared times positive 5 would be positive 15x squared. Negative 4 times 2x to the third would be negative 8x to the third. And negative 4 times positive 5 would be negative 20. The only thing I would need to do here is rearrange these terms because they are not in descending order of their exponents. So I would need to swap the negative 8x to the third and the positive 15x squared. That was, again, negative 8x to the third plus 15x squared. Down here, I have a binomial times a trinomial, so I'm going to have to distribute each term inside the binomial times each term in the trinomial. Y times y squared, that would be y to the 3rd power. Y times positive 6y would be positive 6y squared. Y times negative 3 would be negative 3y. Positive 4 times y squared would be positive 4y squared. Positive 4 times positive 6y would be positive 24y. And positive 4 times negative 3 would be negative 12. Once I've done all the distributing, again, I need to look to either combine like terms or reorder the terms according to their exponents. This is appearing to be a 3rd degree polynomial because the highest power of any variable, the highest exponent, is 3. So I know that the y3rd term is going to remain first. I have a positive 6y squared and a positive 4y squared, so that's positive 10y squared. I have a negative 3y and a positive 24y, so negative 3 plus 24 is positive 21y, and then the negative 12 just gets added on to the end.